I thought the battery is down because of the lockdown. I mean, not using the bike much and not starting it oftenly. But the garage guy told that no, it's not the reason. The battery itself is dead because it has been 5 years now. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Prasad and you're watching the Absolute Rider. So if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon, guys, so that you don't miss a new update from my channel. And you might be thinking, what will be today's video? As you saw in the title, today's video is on the battery of the bike, the Royal Enfield Classic 350. Actually, 2 days back we had been to my granny's house, and while going there, the bike was totally fine. I started the bike with the use of self. It was fine till we reached there, but at the night during the time of 11:30 p.m. when I started the bike, it wasn't starting and not even taking 1% of the battery power for starting the bike. I tried to do the jump start, whatever I can, but still I couldn't manage to start the bike at the night, so I parked there only. And the next day I inquired with the garage guy, and he said that he checked with the meter and he said that the battery is dead, but still he said that he will charge the battery for 3 hours and let me see what can be happen. But later he said that the battery is gone, and he asked me the time, what time did I replace my battery. I said till now I haven't replaced my battery. From the 5 years I haven't replaced it, guys. I will show you the proof actually. So it's been 5 years and Royal Enfield provides you the Excite 12 volts 14Ah battery for this bike, this particular bike. You get 12 volts 9Ah, 12 volts 7Ah. So the Bullet's battery power is 12 volts 14Ah. So he said that we need to buy one battery, and he suggested me 4 batteries. First one is Amaron, second one is Excite once again, third one is the SF Sonic. Yes, the third one is the SF Sonic, and the fourth one is the AMCO. I don't know how to pronounce this. I think this is AMCO, something like that. So he suggested me this one because this battery is a budget friendly battery, and according to my budget I had to go for the AMCO rather than going for Amaron and Excite. I wanted to try this kind of batteries. So previously I had the Excite battery and it's too heavy, guys. So this was the battery. As you can see, even the logo of the Excite is the old one, guys, and I will show you the manufacturing date. As you can see here, I'll be posting the picture or screenshot of this in the end of the video if it's not visible right now. So this battery says that this was manufactured in 24/12/2014, and I bought my bike on Jan 30th 2015. So this battery is 5-year old, and till now I haven't faced any such problems with this battery. And it says 12mAh 14Le2. I don't know what's that, but I think it's the 12 volts 14Ah battery. So this battery is old now and it's dead. That's the reason I went for AMCO. So right now the bike starts really well, and I would suggest you to go with Amaron batteries, Excite batteries, and the AMCO. I don't know about the SF Sonic because I haven't seen that kind of batteries anywhere installing in any kind of bikes, but still AMCO, Excite and Amaron are the 3 best batteries for your bikes. So you need to select based on the power which the company has given to your bike. So guys, if you wanted to see the new battery, then this is the battery, and the top one is blue. I don't like the blue one because the bike is black and the blue color making it look too awkward. I wanted the black top for this, but there was no option, so I had to go with blue. And one more thing I forgot to tell you is this battery gets 2 years of warranty, that is 24 months. So here is the warranty card. If any issues like your battery is dead, the bike is not starting, and any leakages from the battery or any damages caused due to the rain, you can surely take it to the store and get it replaced. They won't repair the same battery, they will replace it with the new one. And that's the one reason I chose this battery than the Amaron or Excite, because right now they are not providing any offers such like this. Even on the box you can see it says 24 months guarantee. So I went for this battery because of the warranty only. So let me see how this battery performs, and I will be telling you the long-term review anyway. If this battery causes any problems, I will be posting on my Instagram as well. So this was the video about, guys, and if you have any doubts about the batteries, if you are trying to install any new batteries to your bikes, surely comment down below. Ask me your queries on my Instagram, the handle is coming below. You can surely ask me there and ask me in the comment section below. I will be providing you the details about this battery in the description. And talking about the price, this battery costs 3,650 rupees, that's the MRP, but it costed me 3,200 rupees including the fitting charges. Actually, even you can do it easily. So including the fitting charges, he took 3,200 rupees. So that's the thing, guys. According to my budget, I went for AMCO batteries. If you have more budget like 4,000 rupees, you can even go for Amaron or Excite. I don't know what this battery had costed then. It was in 2014, guys. You can just imagine this battery came for 5 years and without giving any problem to me till now. This battery was running and I seriously didn't know that which battery I was having, but still I got to know now. So that's it, guys. If you have any doubt, surely comment down below. If you like this video, then please hit the big thumbs up button, like this video, share this video, comment, and do subscribe to my channel, guys. If you have any doubts, surely put up your queries on my Instagram channel, and see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.